Here we have a 2024 plug-in hybrid Mitsubishi Outlander, a Spy model fitted in black sport suede two-tone. So front pair have separate headrests, airbag provision on the door sides of both backrests. Being in a Spy model has electric controls on the driver's side only, accessible and functional with our seat cover fitted. Bonus center console top lid and inside airbag provision on the driver's side. Being a plug-in hybrid, it's a slightly different seat to the standard Outlander rear seats, but no dramas for us, Caboolture Seat Cover Factory. We make custom-made seat covers to fit the seats with this allowance. So separate headrests across the deck. Center armrest with the drink holder is still accessible. And as I mentioned, being a plug-in hybrid model, this particular seat is a one-piece base instead of the split seat like some of the other Outlanders, which we also do. But as I say, our seat covers are made to specific models, so it doesn't matter what model you have, we make allowance so seat covers fit your seat properly.